Joining the Temu affiliate program for free. In this video, I will show you how to sign up and start earning with Temu without spending anything. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your browser and go to affiliate.temu.com. And this is the Temu's official affiliate portal. Step 2. Hit the join now or sign up button. You don't need to make any purchases to register. It's completely free. Step 3. You can register using your email, Google, Facebook, or TikTok account and choose the option that's most convenient for you. Step 4. Enter your name, country, and platforms where you plan to promote Temu, like YouTube, TikTok, blog, or Facebook. Step 5. Once you have submitted that, Temu will always review your application and wait for the approval. It can take a few hours to a couple of days. Step 6. After the approval, log into your dashboard. Copy your affiliate link and start sharing it. And then you will earn commissions on every order placed through your link. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.